Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a knowledge base into Jasper AI through the use of a URL. To get you started, on the homepage, look over to your left and click into Jasper IQ. In here, click into Knowledge Base. If you don't have any knowledge base at all, you can click onto this button Add Knowledge. And now choose Enter URL. In here, try to give your knowledge base a useful name to make it more obvious on how to use it. For this one, I'm just going to give it the URL name for the sake of the video. And make sure that the URL that you're using contains relevant information and make the content comprehensive, since this is what you have to use to let Jasper have more information to create or write more accurately about any topic. I'm going to go into Jasper AI's homepage, and I'm going to use their URL as an example. You have the option to add a tag that fits into the business or content, or even create your own. And you can choose to make it available to everyone in the workspace. And then simply just press Add Knowledge Base. And then you're done. You'll be able to use this knowledge as much as you want in the future. And that's how to add knowledge base to Jasper AI with the use of a URL.